Do you want to hit your first 1000 subscribers fast? In this video, I am going to be breaking it down for you, the proving step by step how I got my 1000 subscribers and other YouTubers the way they got their 1000 subscribers. So if you know you are a beginner and you have not hit your 1000 subscribers, this video is going to easy you to get your 1000 subscribers. If you are serious in growing your YouTube channel, this video is for you. So stick around to the end of this video so that you grab every bit, every step that I'm going to mention to you in this video. Number one step is by watching other people's video on YouTube channel, especially the upcoming YouTubers. Learn how to watch people's video, learn how to like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Do you know that when you watch someone's video and when you subscribe, in this 2025, you are going to see people that subscribe, and you can also subscribe back to the person account without doing sub to sub. Make sure you subscribe and also watch that video very well. Watch the video, like the video, and make sure you turn on the notification bell to show the person that yes, you really mean to subscribe to this channel. But when you just subscribe to the channel, you did not like the video, you did not click this, you did not click the notification bell, the person will feel like maybe you are just passing, just subscribe to the person's channel without clicking that notification bell. That notification bell is very important. To me, when I saw it, I normally subscribe back to your account. And subscribe back to your account, I will know, yes, this person really mean to follow me on this YouTube street. That's the number one step that will give you subscribers. Try comment on people's video. Try watch. Especially, I don't say go to big YouTuber because they will not even reason to subscribe back to you. The upcoming YouTubers, make sure you watch their video. Like that video that you watched and hit subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Is the easiest way that you can get subscribers on this YouTube. The same person will go to your channel and watch your video. Watch your video and do the same thing. That is what I said. Go to small channel and do this. Don't go to bigger YouTubers because they have gotten enough in this YouTube, so they don't need to beg people to subscribe to their channel. You can subscribe, but don't expect them to subscribe back to your own channel. Step 2 is posting consistently. Posting consistently does not mean you should be posting every day. Some people on this YouTube, they post their video every day without getting views. Posting every day, you can post 3 times a week is consistent. You can post, but make sure that that 3 times, if it is Wednesday, if it is Thursday, if it is Friday, make sure that anytime you want to post your video, it should be these 3 days every week. And also make sure that it's the same time. That then, if you are doing this, YouTube is going to push your video to people that want to watch that video. YouTube is going to push, and they are going to watch and subscribe to your channel. That's the easiest way again that you can get subscribers on this YouTube street. It will help you get a lot of subscribers. But when you post Tuesday, you post Thursday, you come back again, you post Monday, that is not consistent. Consistency is to choose the days that you want to be posting on the YouTube and the time, the exact time. Make sure you are posting the same time every time that you want to post and every day you want to post. Don't change. I post Monday, I go back again, you post Saturday. No, that is not consistency. And it's not when you are posting every day. That does not mean that you are posting consistently. You can 3 days a week is also inconsistent. Just make sure that you always post that same day every week. And YouTube is going to push your video to other people to watch. And when they watch the video, if it's interesting, definitely they are going to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Okay, so the third step is short videos. Do you know that short videos can give you 1000 subscribers within 24 hours? Yes, short video can do that. And also try to post short video consistently also. If you know you are posting every day, keep posting every day. Every day is going to give you subscribe. Every day is going to give you the same subscribers that you desired to get. People will watch that your short video from different countries. You can get US watch your video, short video that we are posting every day. Different countries will watch your videos. US will watch your video. If you are Nigeria, Nigeria will watch your video. Different country will watch your video if you post short videos. And definitely short videos always get subscribers very, very easily. You cannot get watch hour from there, but subscribers, you are going to get it. Always post. If you are posting every day, make sure you post every day. If you are posting three times in a week, make sure you post, and the same time, let it be the same time. Shorts can go viral and give you what you want. You can also make money from shorts. In my short, at least I can make sense in my short for now. As a small YouTuber, I can make sense and I'm proud of it. Short can still pay you. Short can still pay you, so don't play with shorts. If you like, post shorts. You can post trending shorts in your channel. You can post what you are doing in your channel. And people that love it is definitely going to hit the subscribe button after watching, because in that short video, for you to subscribe is very easy. That's why you get subscribers. It's very easy because when the person is watching, you are seeing the subscribe button there and you are going to hit the subscribe button. It's very easy. So guys, let's do what is right so that we can get our subscribers. Then the next step again is rest stream. You can still get your 1000 rest stream in one video. Your 1000 rest streaming, you can get it in one video. Within 24 hours, you can get your 1000 subscribers. Then when you get the subscriber in rest stream, I will advise you, and when you have gotten your 4000 watch hour, I will advise you to start posting your normal video and also posting your shorts. Because those people that is watching the rest stream, they are watching your video, but mainly most of them is from India. Most of them is from India. Let's the truth be told. Most of them is from India. Okay, they are going to subscribe to your channel. But what you are looking for here now is your first 1000 subscribers. How you can get it very fast and get monetized on this YouTube street. When you get monetized, you can now take your YouTube channel serious, because now you are seeing that they are dropping that cent for you there. Within time, they will start paying you well. Don't be angry that you are seeing cents. Like me, I am not angry because I was posting mukbang videos on this channel before. I now switch from mukbang to YouTube tips. So I'm expecting what I'm getting on my videos now is what I know that I will get. I am not surprised to see it, because when you change from niche to niche, that's how it's supposed to be. But when you adapt to that niche from time to time, you start getting your views and more subscribers that like what you are doing. Okay, so guys, this is the 3 step for you, the easy step, easy step that you can use to get your 1000 subscribers ASAP. Short video number 1, post consistently number 2, try to watch other people's video, comment, like, share, and hit that notification bell and subscribe to the person channel. Definitely when the person go to this latest YouTube trick now, the person will see that you subscribed. The person will see that you subscribed. Look at the corner of this place. You see what I'm showing you there. When I click that place now, I will see people that subscribed to my channel, and I will subscribe back to those people's channel if I love what they are doing. It's very simple. So try to, as possible as you can, to watch other people's video. That's why we are on YouTube streets. Don't say this person, what is this person? Try and watch their video. Even though it's 2 minutes, give yourself 2 minutes and watch that person video. Try and like the video, comment, show the person love, then subscribe. When the person sees it, The person will have mind, this person likes me. That's why he hits that subscribe button and like and comment on my channel. The person definitely is going to subscribe back to your own channel if you have a YouTube channel. So guys, this is the easy way I know you can get your 1000 subscribers ASAP without wasting much time. It will help you get your 1000 subscribers. So my name is Blessing and I do YouTube tips. I do lifestyle. Mostly my lifestyle is on shorts, and also I do mukbang on this channel. So if you love what I am doing, guys, support your mama by clicking that subscribe button. Comment down below on this video. Yes, comment down and like the video so that YouTube can push it for others to watch. Okay, and also hit that notification bell. If you do that, you know how we roll here, guys. If you do that and I see it, you know how we roll. So guys, do what is needful and you will see that you get what you want. I do watch people's video, what I'm doing on this channel. Before doing it, I'll first go watch those people that is higher than me. I will like the video, then I will take some points from their video and do my own. That's the easiest way to create your own on this YouTube. You cannot do it on your own. You must learn from others to do it your own. So guys, I think I am stopping this video right now. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button once again. Okay, take care and see you when I post next. Bye for now.